All right, you guys. So now I'm on my orders and I'm just going to go, how I ordered it, and I'm going to try to go quick. All right. So right here we have a magnetic tool mat and we bought it for 29.59. I'm just going to round it off. So we bought it for 30 bucks. So I clicked it and right here it says 36.99. So you can see that there was a deal right there, right? So I'm gonna go back, and this is cool too because look at this. You can put it right on your car, and then you can put your tools right there, right beside you while you're working on your car. We got a good deal on that one. Let's go back. Right here we have center punches, $7.59. I don't think it's gonna be too much of a big deal, so let's go ahead. $7.99. So we saved 50 cents, you guys. 50 cents is 50 cents. All right, so let's go ahead. We have right here, we have the vacuum storage bags for $23.99. And these are 31 by 40 by 15. And right here is $27. So basically, we saved $3 on that. And I needed some new bags because my old bags are they're destroyed. They don't work no more. The zipper don't seal no more. So we needed new bags. We put away our big blankets for the winter time. So this way you can compact it, put it in a tote, put it in a closet, save space, blase blase. So let's go ahead and be done with that. So let's head out. All right. Now, this is one thing that I've been looking at for over a year now, and I decided to get it. Now, I knew this one was a sale. $139. You're going to see how much I saved on this. I'm going to click it. You see, I spent $140, right? You see how much it costs right now, $170. It's the same size, 8 by 6 by 20, or you could get 8.5 by 22, depending on how your garage is, the size of your garage. Right here, we have a magnetic screwdriver organizer. We spent $24. Click. All right, so it's $29 right now. We saved $5, you guys. We saved $5. Not that bad. Not that bad. And you can put this on your toolbox. You can put wrenches, screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers, whatever you need to put on, you can put it on. I will be reviewing this soon, so stay tuned to that. So this one is just like the hood light, the one that I reviewed. So this one should be able to wrap around your whole hood, and you should be able to turn on the light on your whole hood. But the one I had hooks, so you could only hook it up if a hook is available, if somewhere to hook up is available. So we bought this for $70, and surprise, surprise, it's $80 right now. So we did save 10 bucks, you guys. I'm telling y'all, Prime Day was pretty good, and it was 4 days, surprisingly. I don't know why. I don't go that far deep into knowing why, but it was 4 days. So here is a big one. This is a Ring floodlight camera. They do have a new Ring flood camera. I saw it in Costco, $279 or something like that, 200 and something dollars. I'm gonna be honest. The regular floodlight camera is fine. The regular one is fine, no problem, okay? So right here, we bought it for $99, $100. I have the same model in the front yard of my house. The only issue is my audio has went out, okay? And I regret not purchasing a warranty. I wish I purchased the warranty, but it's too late now. And let's see how much it costs now. All right, you guys. So now y'all see how much I saved. This is probably one of the biggest savings on Prime Day. This thing is literally $180. I spent $100. So if somebody come to me and say, "Oh, there wasn't no sale on Prime Day," I'm gonna tell them, "Are you crazy?" I will show them this. Right here, we bought a fuel injector. This is a pressure test gauge, and this goes to 0 to 140 psi. Fuel injector. This was $27.64. We could round it off to $28 if y'all want. 2764. So they still have a deal going on for this. All right. So this is not bad to test out your pressure. Right here is an O2 sensor. My wife have the check engine light on, and we have to go to emissions. And y'all know the infamous check light message. Evap system, blah, 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 blah. I hate that message, you guys. All right, I hate the evap message. It's frustrating because it could be anything, you know. So right now we're gonna work with our O2 sensors. We bought it for $36, and did we get a deal? Yup, we got a deal, you guys. $45. We saved about $10. You can apply a 5% coupon on this, but it will not get you down to the $35 range. So, you know, you missed out on Prime Day deals. You could have bought yourself an auto parts and stuff like that. Oh, yeah, this is a good one, you guys. This is a good one. This one here, you can gift out to your family members. You could gift it to your mom, gift it to your dad, gift it to your husband, your wife, anybody. But mainly the ladies will love this because they love their bathroom being, you know, upscale, you know. So this one here is an automatic trash can sensor, self-sealing, all of that good stuff. I already reviewed a similar one to this, so that's how come I know that these trash cans are good. I did review one that messed up, and I was upset with that one, but yeah. All right, so yeah, there you go with that. And what else? I got a few more things, and then I'm out of here. So right here we have a register booster fan, 4x10. We will be reviewing this because I want to see how this thing works. Right now I bought it for $33.74 on Prime Day, and click. And right here, as you can see, I saved over $10. Again, you can't tell me there wasn't a sale. All right, you guys, so right here we have gaming desk. Well, I'm not gonna call it gaming desk. I call it a gaming desk because it has the carbon fiber texture on it, and they have the gaming stuff on there. But this is an adjustable desk. I did review an adjustable desk on the channel before. It's pretty good, you guys. And let's go ahead and click 104. Let's see. Oh, same price. So they are still running a sale on this. And as y'all can see, like I said, they have the carbon fiber texture to it. So that's pretty cool. All right, you guys. So I'm going to get into the last thing that I bought, the last sale that I bought. This is an iPad, 11-inch iPad. Let's go ahead and click. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. We got a $20 sale on that. Nice. Now, you can buy it used right there. It says used like new for $287, but I still bought it for less than that. So that's funny.